standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in, just me, just you.
Hello gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to become friends and you'll hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So I have spoilers for you today. FabFitFun 2022 for fall. Now, these are not confirmed spoilers. These are the spoilers you get when you're looking at the surveys. Now, not everybody, but most annual and seasonal customers will get a survey through email from FabFitFun asking you if you would like such and such products in your box. So that's where these come from. So if you have any questions, put them down in the comments, but let's get started. All right, we see Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment, or Living Proof Full Shampoo and Conditioner Bundle, the Living Proof Restore Shampoo and Conditioner Bundle, or the Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit. Sun Dipped. That sounds like it would be for summer, don't you think? Or the Mally and Lily Weekender Bag in a cream color is what it says, but it's got like black speckles all over it. The Jules K Serena Crossbody, the Gentle Fawn Hermosa Cardigan, or the Vio Air Purifier with HEPA filter, or the Phantom Chef 8-inch fry pan. Okay, choice 2. NARS Blush in Taj Mahal. It's an orange with a golden shimmer. The Ouai Hand Lotion. Babe Lash Essential Eye Serum. Muck Lux Plaid Scarf. The ASN Hats Floppy Hat in Tan. Camp Collection Baking, a 3-piece set. It shows 2 spatulas and what looks like, I guess it's a tray. Or Chinese Laundry Slippers. That's an odd name. Or by Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. Choice number 3. Free People times Understated Leather Carry-On Packing Cubes. We seem to get, and it says pack of 3, cubes quite often, don't you think? Dr. Brandt Skincare Hydration Essence. ModCloth Head Towel. By Epair Mini Vegetable Chopper. That's actually kind of cool. But most of us have processors, so you know. Next is the Alterna Hair Care Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. Or Dr. Loretta Micro Peel Peptide Pads. That I would like. It says it's a 20-pack. By Epair Ceramic French Style Butter Crock. Looks basically like a fancy ceramic tub, kind of. Yeah. Or the Mission Max Chill Massage Roller. Okay. I can only imagine right now how some of you are feeling about these. Karen, please tell me you're kidding. All right, choice number 4. Luxie Brush Set, 4 pieces. It's an eye brush set. Skin Chemist London Pure Collagen Biphase Serum. Love Wellness Bye Bloat. It's a supplement. Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. That would be a repeat. And this darn hat. Hocus Pocus Buffalo Check Baseball Cap. Okay, choice number 5. By Wish Mineral Milk Bath. Unite 7 Seconds Detangler. The Wool Dryer Balls from To The Market, a set of 3. Okay, this I would actually like. The Sword Desk Mat by Fry, the Bamboo Boot Sock, set of 2, and they're showing black and like a charcoal gray. By Stojo, a 12-ounce collapsible cup with 4 reusable straws and Hip Products Lunch Pack Bundle. Okay. Choice 6. By Cuccio, Somatology Bug Tanical Plant-Based Insect Repellent. By Britain, Stay Bright Teeth Wipes. There's 10 wipes. Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask and Babe Lash Pro Lash Lifter Bundle. My gosh, the names, how long these are. Or Weston White Tea Lotion. A lot of you like the Spongel Body Buffer and Eucalyptus Rain. Daily Concepts Hammond Body Mitt and Grooming Mitt Bundle. I really don't know what exactly that is. Grooming Mitt Bundle. All right, let's go to the last set of choices by Lali Sadoui. I'm gonna say that wrong, but I'll put it on the screen for you. Sunglasses. Tupperware brand Crystal Wave Food Storage, set of 2. Nessier, the Body Exfoliator in Eucalyptus. I think, is that everything? Let's see. Yes, and then we've got possible variations. So, okay guys, tell me what you think of these spoilers. Now, like I said, this is just one survey. There's definitely more than one that comes out, and based upon what the people who took the survey chose is based upon what we're going to get in our boxes. And then when it gets closer, and I believe July 13th is when we'll start seeing confirmed spoilers. So you tell me, are you excited about this? Because there's a lot in here I know I am not excited about. I just have to be honest. I wanted to take the time to thank you so much for joining me for this video. I try to go through these as quickly as I can. So for those of you that don't know me and are just here for the spoilers, you just get it and you're good to go. You can go about your day, and that's that. I would love it if you took a chance on this channel and hit that subscribe button though and get to know me. I would definitely love to get to know you, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!